Hey, here's a short video on how to plant your onion bunches. Check this out. All right, so we do the standard stuff. We got a tomato stake here, marked her off 3 inches. You plant onions 2 to 4. We put it at 3. All right, then you take another tomato stake, just punch your holes. Boom, 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 boom. You don't need to go real deep because you don't want to plant your onions more than 1 inch anyway. All right, so then you just grab your onions, put them in the hole. Another thing you can do is clip the tops just a little bit. Clip the tops. You can't kill nature. Don't mess with the roots, but you clip the tops. That plant is going to react to that and grow faster. Yep. So let me get to clipping. Small space gardening, right? We got this little bitty plot. We can get our onions, boom, turn it around, put some peppers in there. One little tip. If you see here, we're gonna finish watering. Filled it up already. Is you dip your onions into this as you plant them, and then water them again. And don't forget, no more than 1 inch deep. You want this bulb to come pop up on the top, okay? And you need 2 to 4 inches between them, and at least 1 foot between the rows. Well, so that's a short tip for you on planting onion bunches. Peace, y'all.